Just a little time, a little patience, show the plants a little love, show each other a little love, be kind to each other. Welcome back. I'm Bob from Bob Grows. As always, we are in beautiful South Florida. We just finished a huge harvest, close to 10 pounds of tomatoes in one harvest today. These are the Sungold Cherry or Sun Sugar Cherry Tomato. Beautiful little orange guys. And we have Costoluto Florentino, or Costoluto Genovese rather. They are similar. I do pick some when they're red. I do pick some when they're green. This one was just exceptionally beautiful, and I didn't want the pests to get it before I did. And as always, an unknown variety right here, these little guys. Anyway, my untrellised hydroponic tomatoes are doing absolutely incredible. I know a lot of people were concerned about pests, about the floor, yes, we do lose some tomatoes, but these things are just absolutely wild. I did have to make a little walkway in between the buckets in order to be able to harvest this. I am tall, but I cannot reach all the way past 6 foot of vine on the floor. So I'm gonna flip that camera around so you can see. There'll also be some B-roll footage of this beautiful tomatoes, all of them in slow motion. Anyway, let's flip the camera around and take a peek. These are the vines, and like I was saying, they were coming all the way out to here, so to reach in the back and harvest the ripe ones or ripening ones was very difficult. So I created this little walkway here, and I can reach. You can see there's tons of vines. They're going everywhere. We still have some ripening over here, and we can see a little bit of a yellow color coming on. I've only been topping off this bucket with water recently, so a lot of that production over there was in fact from just plain water and washed up nutrients. I haven't checked the nutrients in a while. I'll be checking it later and topping it off. In this scenario, I would just mix enough master blend for a 27-gallon reservoir plus, maybe about a gallon in each, so about 5 gallons. So I'll be mixing up a complete mixture if this is drained for about 32 gallons rather, which is the entire system. Up there you can see some of the Costoluto Genovese still growing. Eventually that will topple over because these guys get pretty big. You see what's going on the floor. I did trim back a lot of foliage because this is sucking down water and nutrients at a very rapid pace. You could also see the remnants of what were hornworms. They come in here and they eat all the leaves, and they just leave the branches. Like this one back here. I just pull them off and throw them over there, or I crush them and compost them. Also, there is some evidence of white powdery mildew. Oh, there's a hornworm. So this is a hornworm. And there's not much to do. If you're scared of him, you could just cut that branch off and dispose of him like that, or you can just pull him off. He kind of scares me too. But that's the hornworm, and there's the horn. I don't think he can hurt you, so I'm not too worried about him. But I'll place him over here for now. Anyway, so there's the buckets. We could finally see the buckets again. As always, Firehouse Subs. I am not sponsored by them, but if they want to send me a bunch of buckets, which these I paid for, I would gladly accept them. I would love to expand the system as always. Down there, you'll see the Uniseal grommets that I tell you guys about. Always, all the items will be available in my links below, and they are affiliate links, so they do help the channel when you purchase something. Let me see if I could find the pest I was talking about. Usually, oh, there it is. So there it is. Really, I'm not going to do anything about it because it's growing crazy anyway. Again, you can see the lightish color in the leaves. That is from nutrients. This is ready to get bombed with a new set of nutrients. Anyway, I want to show you guys what was going on with the untrellised indeterminate vines that I have here. Again, I have 3 varieties. I have Costoluto Genovese, I have unknown variety, and I have the Sungold Sugar Cherry Tomatoes. I just wanted to walk back over here one last time and show you guys the harvest. It doesn't take a whole lot. I know it can be scary at first, but anybody can do this. Just a little time, a little patience, show the plants a little love, show each other a little love, be kind to each other. Some of you ask me what I do with all this. I do eat a lot of it, but I do share it with my friends and family and coworkers. So again, thank you all for following along. Like and subscribe below. Till next time, peace.